How to sign up or create an account on Remitly. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to create or register an account on Remitly, you have come to the right place. First and foremost, make sure you have downloaded the correct up-to-date application. Tap on the app to get started. First and foremost, choose your language for Remitly. If you already have an account, tap on I already have a profile. For a new profile, click on create a new profile. Now choose the country from where you want to send the money and to where you want to send the money. Once that is done, tap on the next button. After you tap on the next button, you will land to the browser, which is to verify. First and foremost, provide your email address, password, and then confirm the password. After that, tap on the sign up button. Also, you could continue with Google or Apple account. Once you click on sign up button, it will now take you to another page where you can enable your biometrics to get logged in as well. So you can set it up or you could skip it if you want as well. Once that is done, it will confirm the biometrics and you will be logged in into your newly created account on Remitly. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.